Come join the Indiana Truck Auction for one of the largest heavy-duty truck auctions in the country. With an experienced staff and over 250 trucks and trailers, we are confident you will find a truck or trailer to fit your needs. We have sleeper trucks, day cabs, vocational trucks, and trailers of all types offered by major trucking companies, lease companies, banks, municipalities, and dealer consignment. The Indiana Truck Auction is open to the public and is held every other Wednesday here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Go to indianaautoauction.net to preview our inventory and bid, or even better, attend live and enjoy the action. We'll see you on auction day.